In the next few minutes, we will review the items that are needing to be done for MPH 840. So some upcoming class dates. Number 1, the article paraphrasing task. This is the second one. It will be due tonight by 11:59 p.m., as in Saturday, September the 26th. Next week, article presentations, or an individual presentation from each student, will be due by 11:59 p.m. next Saturday, October the 3rd. And then the midterm exam will be due by the 10th of October at midnight. Additional information on how to prepare for the article presentation. The expectations and preparation related materials are in Blackboard under a folder that is called like article presentation information or article presentations. The article presentation will be due next week, and it needs to be done on a bona fide research article. If you have any questions about whether or not the article you're planning to present is a bona fide research article, you can email it to me and I will be able to quickly review it for determining whether or not it actually is. You can also make a judgment based upon whether or not the article includes an introduction, a method section, a results section, and a discussion section. There are a variety of types of research articles, both quantitative and qualitative. However, there are also peer-reviewed articles that are not bona fide research articles. There are peer-reviewed commentaries. There are peer-reviewed studies that only provide case report information. There are peer-reviewed studies that are just reviews or background type information. Your job in this class is to have experience in performing boots on the ground research methods. So, in preparing you for carrying out any future research that you may do, it's important to focus on something that actually emphasizes methods, where collection of data actually occurs, not a summary of existing data. A lot of folks are already exposed to how to do background and literature searches, but in the era of creating new knowledge, which is what we need in the sciences, it's important to have papers that actually have a methodology for how they actually collect information. And then they will have results that come from their methods, and their methods were deployed to address hypotheses or research aims and or a research question. There will be also additional information added to the article presentation folder on Blackboard today regarding how to record and upload your article presentation if you've got any uncertainty on how that might work. For the midterm preparation, expectations. You'll be doing it over the weekend of October the 10th. You'll be able to do it on your own time. It'll be uploaded in advance, but it'll be due, that evening. The review guide that's currently on Blackboard will be helpful. You should be able to complete all the review questions. There are at least questions 1 through 23 or comments 1 through 23 on the review guide that could already be addressed, and several other ones can be addressed here currently as well. Prior to taking the exam, you should have viewed and been familiar with all the content videos posted in this course. Additional content will be uploaded on October 3rd regarding the scientific method, hypotheses, research questions, etc. The exam will be a timed exam with a randomized pool of questions, meaning that not everybody will get the same questions, or if they do get the same questions, not everybody will get them at the same time. It will be timed so that you won't be able to spend 5 hours looking up answers. In the past, students have never really needed more than 60 minutes for this exam, most of which have needed 30 minutes or less. Web and notes are allowed, but you should not consult with other people, and you should avoid conversing with your classmates about the actual exam if they've already taken the exam or if you have already taken the exam. In the next video, we'll focus on how to record on-screen video presentations and how you can upload videos for the class. If you have any questions at this point, you can contact me by email or by my mobile phone, which you should have on your email from me from previous communications. Thank you, and again, if you need me, feel free to reach out.